Assalamualaikum mga kamamon. Dito tayo sa Balad. Tingnan natin yung sale nila. Yan. Dito tayo sa Balad. Today is Friday. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong sale nila. Oha. Assalamualaikum. Where is Ashraf? Huh? Lagi ka. Mali bang pinasok ko? Bakit? Ashraf. La, this is not Ashraf.
Go with me. He's a brother of Ashraf.
Wala ako. Please, Vita ni makan? Ha? There is another? Mashallah, kaya pala. Ito ang kapatid ni Ashraf. Ano to? Shabab. Kaya pala konti lang ang ano nila dyan. Oh, ayan. Mashallah, siyang kira soya pa sinaka. Kaya pala konti lang doon. Andito nakatambay ang tao. Tingnan natin yung sale nila. Yan, o paano ka makapasok? Itong bagong shop nila. Mag-hi lang kayo mga kabayan, o mga guwaping, o. Yan, tingnan natin. Paano ka makapasok? Ang daming tao. Assalamualaikum. Ashraf. Ang dami oh. Puro Pilipino. Ya Ashraf. When Ashraf? Tingnan niyo ang daming tao. Yan, hindi ka makapasok dito. Ashraf must be having own. Si Hani, ganun din. Andun. Yan. Dati mo yan. Ang daming customer. Halo-halo na yan. Oh, yayamanin guys. Oh. Pwede dito utang, oh. Samara at saka tabi. Ayan. Pwede kayong mangutang, eh. Kung meron kayong tabi. Ayan si Ashraf.
What's your name, sister?
That's why no one there. Kaya pala walang tao dun.
Makita mo sa akin, isa sa harapan.
Yan si Hani. Parating yung nakikita yan.
Hello, how are you?
Show me. Where is that?
Yes, welcome.
Where is the sale?
Where are you long time?
Huh?
Long time not see you, why?
That's why.
Vacation?
Yeah.
Yes, what do you want?
Where is that one?
Video. I thought live.
No, I will not make live. Where is that one I told you? That necklace?
Coming Sunday, why today?
Yeah, I saw. I sent you. Yes. Sabi mo dito.
May live pa.
Ayoko mag-live.
Ano yan?
Wala, video lang.
Video lang?
Oo.
Sige,
Mamaya,
welcome to
mas
Star
kama
Jewelry.
ko. This is the one.
This is the one. This one the one.
Ito pala yung 199? 199.
99, 95.
Kaya pala, sabi ng asawa ko, my husband said, you believe that one? Because in picture very big. Yeah, he said don't believe. That is very
It's
small.
195.
Yeah, that's why. 195. Okay, I will show you that.
What? This 195 real.
Yeah, I know, but very small.
The
This
gold price?
is bracelet. Ano, maganda rin.
Necklace, this one.
But very small. Why in picture very big?
Sister, also the price, see, 195.
Yeah, I
There is
know,
a gold 195. There is a gold now 195. The gram now, how much for 1 gram? 380. But here, it's only 195.
Yeah.
Honey, what
And
you
the
mean?
free. Where is the free?
This is the price, less than the bank price.
No, no, show me the free.
The free? Ah.
Ayan, ito po yung 195. Yan ang 195. Tapos, meron siyang free. Meron siyang free na ganito. This is 18 also?
Yes.
Grabe. How long this one? Is it long? Okay, give me this one.
You want this?
Yeah. Hindi na lang ako.
Bracelet pang lalaki. Ilang
This price not available now in the gold. But we make this bromo.
18 carats, right?
Yes.
Kita nyo lang.
mabigat lakot.
Meron siyang ano ganito. 18 carats na. Ayan. Okay.
Kaya mo yan. Basura sa gilid. Sa basura sa gilid.
21?
22. Hindi yung uso nila ngayon yan. Kanya kamay.
What's your name? Yeah, Noor.
You're looking at me.
Yeah, Noor, what's your name?
Very smooth.
Yeah, 195. This is only, we will cut.
22 karat.
16.8.
Masmish?
Saida.
Wala, again. Mafi other name?
La, Mamu.
You don't have other name?
La. I have one name only, Saida.
How much before you tell me other name? Hadi 22 karat, ha?
Okay, put in the... Ay, nakalala ko pala.
1.1.
Ano bilang kita? Medyo
Ang cute niya, oh. Ito lang ang ano eh. Ah. 195.
sukat ni ganun.
You make this video for who? For your husband?
No, I mean, I'm vlogger.
Oh, mashallah.
I'm vlogging in
Let's see your
YouTube.
page.
Mamu Jeng.
In Facebook or?
La, YouTube.
Ah, YouTube?
Yeah.
Wallah, mashallah.
I will promote your store, new store.
Ah, how much vlogger you have?
Only 14.
Only
I'm
40?
new.
It's good 40.
Mamu Jeng.
YouTube. Hey, Saida, it's here in Star Jewelry. See, Star Jewelry. It's available everything from Star Jewelry from 21K, 18K, 22K. For necklace for man, for lady, for everything you want, Star Jewelry and the promo sell. See, daming customer, daming. Daming suki here. Star Jewelry, this is Star Jewelry. The bangles available.
How much?
510. 500.
Hindi,
The
ano yan?
earrings.
Wala ko yan. Yung brand niyan.
Dangling earrings. No, for Mahi, 500.
460 note kami? 76, 460.
460. Sarah.
Check.
Sarah 460.
One time check.
Ano, malum, ano, account, yun na.
Kahit mo na jarap.
Kira, besh. Ha?
45 lang naman.
Star Jewelry. Here, Star Jewelry. Follow my channel. Follow my channel. Saida. It's Saida Filipina. Follow channel.
Tingin mo daw.
Follow my channel to see more gold, more option, more everything.
Share ko lang.
Diba? Follow my channel. Follow my channel. Saida is here for the gold.
For the mini gold. Mini gold.
Details for the gold. Saida available.
21K to mo? Pinakamalit na ito.
Ang bida dyan, si Ashraf. Matagal na kasi si Ashraf.
ما في هو 340 بس انا اسوي
I will show my husband also that one.
هو نكلس هذا
It's 195.
Yeah.
Don't think you will get 1 kilo.
وهذا بندان
But 195 is not available in the other market, in
You
other
have
shop.
bag.
Not available in other shop, 195.
Yeah,
Only in
right.
Star.
Correct. And this one hadiah. Yeah. Ayan, may hadiah na may box pa, merong plastic
I
pang
will send
maganda.
to your follower, your in channel, in the
this one
your channel, YouTube.
take this one
This is the price only in Star Jewelry.
Okay.
Not available. The gold now is already more than 380, 400 for 1 gram.
Mhm.
You not found necklace 195 real. Only in Star Jewelry it's available
Only.
195 real.
Okay.
Necklace for a
I
gift.
am your customer since 2004.
Yes, it's more than
Where is
15
Ahmad?
years.
Where
Ahmad
is
invitation.
Lahat?
Almost invitation.
هذا سعر حقك انت امس
Really?
اليوم
Yes.
Where is Mr. Ahmad?
Invitation.
Also, he is the owner before, mudir before.
Yes, yes, invitation.
Yeah, I make utang-utang before.
Oh, long time before.
2004?
You remember Miss Ivan?
Yeah.
Aywa, where is?
Where is he now? Ah! Yeah, before you are not here before. Oo nga, galing ako Dubai. Kaya pala. Nagbago yung itsura mo. 2004, remember? Yes. Doon pa yung ano. Yung dating shop. Oo. O siya, sige, bye-bye na.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Sige po. Si Hani. Ayan, Hani, bakit?
Ay, kamusta?
Bakit hindi
Mama
ka...
Saida.
Para ako naman. Para naman.
bata.
Parang nag...
Dagir ka na ngayon, ha?
Yan si Hani. Sikat yan.
Joke lang yan, joke.
Okay lang. Sige, bye-bye na.
Sige pa, salamat. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye.
Ingat lang.
Thank you. Yalla. Uwi na tayo. Ayan, dito ang nangyayari dito sa Balad. Dalawa ng tindahan nila, kaya yung isa, parang walang tao. Yan. Tingnan mo yan, dyan, walang tao. Walang katao-tao yung iba. Doon sa Star Jewelry, hindi ka halos makapasok. Ang tamlay ng Balad ngayon, hindi na katulad dati. Pag pumasok ka dito, makikita mo daming tao. Friday ngayon eh. Ano to? Ah, ito yung ano. Wala na, tapos na. Kam jay kida?
sister, هذا 5 بس.
5 riyal?
ايوه
How they will fix?
ما شاء الله.
Eh, hindi ko mahawakan. Ah, hada sa wikida.
هذا جوال.
Jawal. Ano mo? Yun, ang cute nila, oh. Oh, dito lang yan sa Balad. 5 real lang to, ang cute, oh. Happy Philippine.
فين هذا الجواز؟ باسبورت هذا.
Ah, Jawad Bus.
معلوم فين هذا؟ ايوه.
Ay. Yan, oh, ito ang passport lang. Pilipinas lang. Wala silang ano, yung flag ng Pilipinas. Thank you. Yan ang may-ari, oh. May ano, truck dito. May truck dito. Ganyan. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute nito. Ayan. Bracelet. Cute niya, oh. Pero i-ano mo yan sa atin, wala na, isang ano lang yan. Iitim yan. Ina. Kaya mga kamamo, wala nang putol-putol to, dire-diretso na. Uwi na tayo. Adan na ng Maghrib. Ano ba ito? Si Honey. Mama Saida. Akala mo, anak ko siya. Parang nanganak ako ng 8 years old. Nang pupunta ako sa kanila, 2004. 2004. Ito dati may ano to dito eh, may mall. Na-demolish. Dito oh. Ano yan, ang balad. Ito na ang balad. Okay na mga kamamo. Tapos na tayo dito. Yan ang mga building yan. Yan. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.